So here is the conclusion and summary of our TDI strategy. If you look at my chart carefully, we already know this indicator window here is our TDI indicator, and given the setting, you can watch previous video if you are not clear about the TDI setting, so you can do that on your chart. So now remember, we said first we have our price line, which is this green moving average. The green line is our price line of the TDI. So this green line is what gives us a shark fin pattern. This green line is what gives us divergence, and divergence is a reversal signal. So if you look at this chart now, we can easily spot price reversal using divergence. So if I'm to consider this low here, this low here, then this price line, only the green line, this and this. So let me connect my trend line to that low. I'm connecting this low to this low, and then I'll connect this low to this low. I'll connect this low to this. So if you observe, this is a lower low, and if you look at this, we are having more like what? Equal low. This is a low, this is a low. This is more or less like an equal low compared to what we are having here. So in this case, what we are having on our main chart here is not the same with what we are having here. Because of this disagreement and changes in price action contrary to what is on our main chart, is now a divergence. So we are now expecting a reversal signal, and this divergence is happening around the lower Bollinger Band. You can see that now we are applying our TDI gradually. Now that we have gotten a divergence, how do we buy? Because this divergence is telling us that price is going to buy. Question is, how do we buy? Another factor for us to now look at is our indicator signal line. So this red moving average is our signal line. So whenever this price line, which is the green moving average, crosses the red moving average, that is a buy signal to the upside, and when it crosses to the downside, it's a sell signal from the upside. So you can see that here the green line crosses the red. So after we've seen our divergence, and then we had this cross. So when we had this cross here, we are having what? All of this bullish candle formation, which give us this bullish momentum. So with this bullish engulfing candle, we can have our buy entry because we already had divergence. Or you can use your trend line. If you connect your trend line, you realize that here is a break of trend line. So there you would have had your buy entry. So you can see that we have that multiple confirmation on how we can make our entry. Then considering our Bollinger Band, our Bollinger Band of the TDI, you can see that the price line is close to it, although this is not a shark fin. However, if you look at this, there is a little contraction which shows low volatility until price break out of here, and then you realize that the Bollinger Band begins to open toward the upside. So that shows a presence of volatility as far as this price is concerned. Then the last indicator is our trend indicator, which is this yellow or gold moving average you are seeing. Although this has not indicated that we are in an uptrend yet. When it is above 50, we are in an uptrend. However, this is a lagging, but when you consider our middle Bollinger band on our main chart, we have been in an uptrend for a while now. Okay, and that is exactly what is happening on our main chart. So when it comes to trend determination, pay attention to the middle Bollinger band on our main chart. Okay, then when this of the TDI crosses later, it shows you a more stronger and healthier signal. So this is how you can incorporate your TDI into your trade entry confirmation. And I believe you have gained value. Thank you for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button, share, turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to get notified.